back to my channel. I asked you guys on my community tab whether you guys would be interested in watching Zara haul or my Bath and Body Works mist collection, but a lot of you guys said you guys would be interested in watching Zara haul, and I actually placed 2 orders and both of them are here. I just jumped right in. So the very first thing that I got are these shorts. Now I'll tell you what, last year during their end of season sale I ended up buying these beige shorts. I'll put up a picture right here. That has to be my most worn clothing piece of 2024. I have worn those throughout the year, and especially during the summers, those shorts have seen the world. I have worn them during all my trips. So I wanted to get my hands on other colors because it's very difficult for me to find shorts and just like bottom wears that fit me really nicely. So if I find something, I end up buying it in other colors as well. That's just me. So I ended up getting these ones. Now this is what it looks like. This is in the khaki color. These are however a little too short compared to the black ones. The black ones are like bang on, same as the beige ones. It happened quite a bit with Zara because the sizing keeps changing with the clothing pieces. I don't know what it is, but yeah, you have to be a little mindful when you're shopping on Zara. So yeah, I got these two, and you can see how they look on me in the try on clip. I absolutely love both of them. As I said, this is a little short. I am in the size medium. I got medium for both of them and I love it. Last year I did not really shop a lot from Zara. Nothing really excited me, but I also feel like they've increased the prices. So even though I got all these things during sale, I still felt like I was paying quite a bit of money. So yeah, the next thing that I got is this bodysuit, which is from the seamless collection. I'm a fan of the seamless collection. They have like really good pieces whenever they come out. So I was actually eyeing this for the longest time, and I knew that it would go on sale since it's just like a basic black bodysuit, and I ended up getting it when it went on sale. Originally this was for 2,000 rupees. I got it for 1,000, which is good in my opinion. Again, I'm in the size medium. No, this is like, yeah, medium large. So this is what it looks like. In my opinion, like good bodysuit and high-waisted jeans with heels. Oh my god, such a classy look. I love it. I love how bodysuits really like snatch in your body and just give you those like really nice looking curves, and I really like wearing bodysuits. That's like one of my uniforms. They're just like so good. You feel put together in no time. So yeah, I ended up getting this one. I also got the grey one, but I did not like it, so I'm going to return it. I have not tried that on, but yeah, just letting you know that I got that as well. But that just looks really blah. So yeah. Next up, I got this skirt. I did not have a lot of expectation from this one, but I love the way it fits me. I honestly cannot tell you how difficult it is for me to find bottom wears that fit my waist and also around my hips. So whenever I end up finding something, I'm like, I have to keep it. So this is what it looks like, and oh my god, this is in like 100% linen material, so that's so good. They just have these balls right here. I don't know how to explain it to you, but yeah, it's just like these decorative balls. So yeah, it just adds a little something to the outfit. And this is what the skirt looks like. It has a slit right here, but it's not like a slit, it's almost like a wraparound skirt. Honestly love this skirt, but I do think that this is like a sitting skirt. You know how there are like sitting and standing clothing pieces. So yeah, I feel like this is something that if I'm just going out for dinner and I can wear this, not something that I can wear throughout the day where I have to walk a lot. I can't do that, I feel. Since the skirt would be like all over the place if I like try walking in it a lot. So yeah, that's just what I feel, but I'm definitely going to keep it, even though that's the problem, because it fits me really nicely. Okay, next up I have another skirt. I actually have been on a lookout for such skirts, something like this, for the longest time, which is just like your, you know, flare out skirts. I actually want to get them in like black and white both, but this is the only thing that I found. And this also has elasticated band, so it's really cool. This is what the skirt looks like. It also has a slit right here. It is so cool. I feel this is something that I can definitely wear during summers. Imagine this on a hot sunny day with a tank top, or you can even wear like waistcoat with it. It would look so cool and just so stylish in my opinion. The model on the website had worn this with a waistcoat and like blue sandals. I think it just looks so nice, and yeah, I'm definitely going to wear this so much, and I love this and going to keep it for sure. Next up I got this top, which is very unusual. I have never seen something like this before, so I ended up getting this one. This is what the top looks like. It's very nice. I got it in the size medium. I could have like sized down for this for sure, but it is just so pretty, and someone recently told me that this is my color, so I don't know, is it? I to feel it's same only. Anyway, so yeah, this is what the top looks like. It just has these buttons all throughout and has this ruching detailing right here. Like it's a going out top for sure if you're going out for like dinner or like lunch and you just want to look put together. Something like this would look so cool with like white pants. Very nice outfit, and definitely going to keep that as well. Next up, I got another bodysuit. Now this one is in this white color. Again, have been wanting to get this, just like my basics. I love Zara basics, something that I've spoken about so much on my channel already. So whenever they have a sale going on, I always go through their basics and see what I need. So this is the one that I got. Very nice. I really like it. This I could have sized down. This is a little loose on me, not as tight as I like my bodysuits. So yeah, but this is what it looks like. Definitely going to keep it. Very beautiful. And this material is something that I really like, which is just this polyamide material that Zara does. So it's like people say it's like a dupe of Skims, which I'm not really sure of, but yeah, that's the material that this is made up of. Next up, I got this polo t-shirt. This is what it looks like. It's just so cool. I honestly don't have anything like this in my closet, so yeah, I ended up getting it. And when I got it, I was like, I don't think so like this would be appropriate for hot weather, but it is. Like I wore this and I did not feel hot. It's so cool, and I don't know, I just really like the look and feel of it. It's just very classy. This gives me like classy vibes. Again, imagine this with like white shorts or like white pants. Such a look, right? I think this would look damn good. I love it. Again, I wanted to buy this so badly, but it was so expensive. I was like, I'm not gonna pay that much. How much was it for? Yeah, this was originally for 2000 rupees. Again, I got it for 1000, and I was like, I'm not gonna pay that much. And the moment it went on sale, I did not even know that they had this color, because I had originally seen this red, like the same top in red color. I wanted to get that one, but that was out of stock, so there was only black, white and this. So I ended up getting this. This is like a baby pink color. Very nice. Snugs my body so nicely, and yeah, I'm a fan. This has that lace detailing around the neck, and also this really cute bow detail right here. So very cute. I love it. ऐसे बहुत rarely होता है that whatever I had been eyeing for the longest time goes on sale and I end up getting it. I don't know if this is one of their tactics or what, but the moment the sale goes live, everything goes out of stock. So it just very maddening. I don't like that, but this time that did not happen. So yeah, luckily or thankfully, I ended up getting things that I really wanted. So this is another bodysuit that I wanted for myself, which is this like really nice green color. But why I wanted it is for this lace detailing. They also have another color which is white, but yeah, I ended up getting this, and I think it is really cool. This lace detailing just adds a little something to the just like a basic bodysuit, I feel, and makes it a little more dressier in my opinion. In the size medium, and I really love how this looks on me, and yeah, I'm so excited, and I honestly cannot wait to wear this outside. It's just so good. Again, this has to be my most favorite purchase of my Zara haul, which is that I ended up getting my hands on this denim dress. Oh my god, I can't believe that I actually managed to get it for myself, and it fits me like a glove. It fits me like it was made for me. Like I feel like it's like a custom made dress. It's so beautiful. So this is what the dress looks like. It's very long, and it also has slit. You can see in the try on clip. I love denim dresses. Okay, I love anything and everything denim. I have so many denim pieces in my wardrobe, it's not even funny. But yeah, this is something that is just so cool. Imagine wearing this with like white heels and wearing like with a white bag on a hot sunny day in Italy. It would look so good. Or maybe, yeah, even in Italy it would look good. But why I like it is because it's like really tight, and then it just like flares out, and I don't know what it does to my body, but it just like makes me look so good. Like it just snatches my body so nicely, and I love that. It's just so perfect. I love this dress so much, and again, cannot. I, you know, after buying all these things, I'm like, oh, I really have to be on a trip somewhere where I can wear these things, because they are just so perfect. I love them. I love this so much. I cannot even tell you. There is this top that I got. Again, it's a bodysuit, but it's a really nice top. It again has this ruching detailing right here around the boobs, and it's just very very cute and very nice, something that I see myself wearing on an everyday basis. Very cute. Next up, I just have some basic tops. So I have, as I said, I always like to go through their basic line. So yeah, I got this one. I got it in the size medium because I wanted something that's like really flowy and easy to put on. I thought this would be great whenever I'm traveling or I have to take a flight or something like that. This is very easy to put on. Lastly, I have this pointed t-shirt, again in the white color. I love wearing white. I think one color that you would find the most in my wardrobe would be white, and yeah, this is so cool. I got it. I thought this would be just an easy wear, something that I can just wear and then, you know, call it a day. I don't have to think so much. So yeah, I got this. I am in the size medium for this as well. Also got quite a few jeans, but they did not fit me. Again, the struggle of finding jeans is so real. I cannot even tell you. I got 4 jeans and all 4 of them did not fit me, so I have to return them, and these are the only things that I'm keeping. And yeah, I'm really happy about my Zara purchase this time. If you want to shop from Zara, there's just one tip that I would give. The things that you have been eyeing, firstly get those in the very first week, because like if they are really good, they're going to sell off like hotcakes. Secondly, and if you're someone who's just shopping and if you just want to check out things that are on sale, then I would recommend you to shop in the 4th week, because by that time काफी चीजें मतलब और reduce हो जाता है price. That was my Zara haul for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in some or the other way. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Bye.